Hello, young coders! I am Captain AHS. Get ready to bring your creations to life with some exciting touches. In this adventure, we'll make your Scratch characters shine, sparkle, and even roar. Let's make some magic happen!
Are we going to see real animals, Saro?
Not just real animals, Mina. In this zoo, we get to bring animals to life with Scratch.
Are we scratching the animals?
No, Mina. We will add effects to Sprite just like we animated our Sprite before.
That's a fun thing to do.
Welcome to the Magical Coding Zoo. Are you ready to create your own magical animals?
Yes! I want to make a rainbow tiger that sparkles.
Let's do it.
Mina, first pick your animal. Once you choose, we'll bring it to life on Scratch.
Ooh! I picked this hopping bunny.
Good choice. Now let's find a bunny sprite in Scratch.
Mina, do you know how we can select a sprite in Scratch?
Yes! I know!
Click on Create a Sprite button, search for bunny, and then select it.
Yes, Mina. You are doing great.
Now we will drag green flag block and then color effect for continuous effect, select forever block. It's a rainbow bunny.
Wow, Mina!
Your bunny looks amazing. Can we make our animals move too?
Sure. Let's add more sprites.
Let's make parrot fly. Select Wait 1 sec block and change it into 0.2. Then select Next Costume block and click on green flag to see if it's flying.
My parrot is flying now. It's a magical zoo, just like we imagined.
And we did it all with Scratch.
We made a whole zoo of magical animals.
And the best part is, the magic came from you.
I think this zoo is more fun than a real one.
I'm so proud. This is the best zoo ever.
It's time for the quiz! What is Scratch used for? Option A, drawing pictures. Option B, coding animations and stories. Option C, watching movies. B, coding animations and stories. What happens when you click the green flag in Scratch? Option A, it starts the program you coded. Option B, it erases the project. Option C, it opens a new project. Option A, it starts the program you coded. What happens when you attach a play sound block to a sprite? Option A, the sprite plays a sound when the code runs. Option B, the sprite moves faster. Option C, the sprite changes color. Option A, the sprite plays a sound when the code runs. Which of the following blocks can make a sprite perform an action repeatedly? Option A, when green flag click block. Option B, repeat block. Option C, glide to position block. Option B, repeat block. In Scratch, you cannot add sounds to your animations. True or false? False! Computers are amazing tools that help us do so many things in our daily lives. Let's explore what makes them work and why they are so important in our world today.